Fabletop is a tabletop RPG that you can play right in your browser. When you sign up, you get your own table page where you can run games as a GM. To join your game, players just need to visit the web address of your table. So let's try running a basic encounter, and we'll see what it's like both as a GM and as a player. So first I'm going to join the game here with a character that I made about a minute ago, and I'll click Join Game. And as you can see, I've been added to the party panel down below. I also have a miniature here that I can move around like that. And I also have a link to my character sheets that I can open like that. I can also now chat in character. So for instance, here's what it's like to chat out of character. And now I can just click this button and I can chat as my character. So now, as you can see, I made a bit of a typo there. I can fix that pretty easily by pressing the up arrow key. And I'll just remove that extra letter and hit enter. And you can see it's been fixed right here in the chat window. Now, as the GM, I'm going to go over to the menu and select New Scene. And I'm going to call this scene the Old Road and select the different battle mats. And there you go, you can see that it's been updated. And I'm just going to move the character up to the beginning here. Now I'm going to use narration mode to kind of set up the scene a little bit. So I'm just going to say, you're walking along the old road. And now let's say I want to have the player make a wisdom roll to see if they notice something that's hidden by the side of the road. So as the player, in order to do that, I'm just going to click on the character sheets and click on the wisdom traits. And that fills in the command to roll 2 dice because I have a wisdom of 2. So I'm just going to close that and then click roll dice. Okay, you can see that I got 1 star. Each die has a 1 in 3 chance of rolling a star, and you need at least 1 to get a basic success, so that's good enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Menu and Miniatures, and I'm going to create a couple of bandits that are hiding along the side of the road. So we'll just say that they're right up here. And when I click on a bandit, it sets the chat mode to speak in character. So I'm just going to have one of them say, give us all your money. So let's jump right into combat then. The first thing I'll do is I'm going to assign the turn to the player. And that gives them a chance to move and attack. So as the player, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an emote to say what I'm going to do, which is just going to be I'm going to charge ahead and swing sword. Charges ahead and swing sword. Do that. And I'll move my miniature into position here. And now to attack, I'm going to click on my character sheets and select the might traits and add in warrior as well to do a melee attack. So close that and we'll roll the dice. Okay, so now we've got 3 stars here, and in combat each star does 1 point of damage. And since these bandits have 2 life each, 3 stars will be enough to kill this bandit here. But let's just say, for the sake of this demo, that I only rolled 1 star. So that would do 1 point of damage, and to mark that for the bandit, you would just click Edit, and then edit the tag. The tag can be used for just about whatever you want, but in this case, we're going to use it to indicate that they've taken 1 point of damage. So now that my turn is done, I'll click I'm done. And now it's going to be the bandit's turn. So they're just going to run up and attack. So I'm going to move him up here and click attack and select the target and click roll dice. Okay, he rolled 1 star, which is 1 point of damage. So to apply that damage, I'm just going to click on the miniature and click hit. And you can see it's already filled in, so I just have to hit enter. And that takes away 1 point of damage from my character here. So he's down to 7 life now. And let's skip the other bandit so we can move on. Now as the player, let's say I want to try something kind of cool here. My character has the acrobat trait, so maybe I can try some kind of an acrobatic stunt. I can do that by spending a power point. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to emote the action that I want to take. In this case, I'm going to, let's see, jumps on rock and backflips behind the bandits. Hopefully that works. So I'm going to click the character sheet here, and for this kind of move, I'm going to select agility plus acrobat. Then I'm going to add the PowerPoint, and then I'm going to roll. Okay, that's a really great result. That's 2 stars, and then the PowerPoint adds another star to the result, so that's 3 stars. So combat is very freeform, and especially for creative moves like this, as the GM, I would probably say that it's such a good result that the character is able to jump behind the bandits and take both of them out pretty quickly because they're both very weak characters. So I'm just going to kill them both using the kill link, and that would be the end of the encounter. So there you go. As you can see, Fabletop is pretty easy to use. You can also learn more by checking out the help section. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.